Your car has secret features you've been driving past for years without ever knowing they exist. Modern vehicles are packed with clever tricks, hidden buttons, and genius engineering that manufacturers rarely advertise. Most owners drive the same car for 5, 10, even 15 years without discovering half of what it can do. From secret compartments hiding in plain sight to safety features that could genuinely save your life. From tiny buttons that solve everyday frustrations to technology you already paid for but have never activated, this video is going to change the way you look at your car forever. By the end, you'll walk out to your driveway with a completely new appreciation for what's sitting there. So, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me which feature shocked you the most. Let's count down the 20 hidden features in modern cars that most owners never discover. Kicking off our list at number 20 is the gas tank arrow on your dashboard. Look at your fuel gauge right now. See that tiny arrow next to the fuel pump icon? That arrow points to whichever side of your car the gas cap is on. Rental car drivers, first-time owners, and even people who have driven the same car for a decade often have no idea this exists. Never pull into a gas station on the wrong side again. At number 19 is the rear window wiper auto activation. If you're driving in rain with your front wipers on and shift into reverse, your rear window wiper activates automatically. This feature exists on most modern cars but is almost never mentioned. It ensures you have a clear view backing up in bad weather without having to reach for another button. Coming in at number 18 is the hidden sunglass holder. Look above your rearview mirror. Most modern cars have a small, fold-down compartment perfectly sized for a pair of sunglasses. Some even have felt lining to prevent scratches. It's been there the entire time you've owned your car, and most people never notice it. At number 17 is the coin and cup holder hidden under your armrest. Lift up your center console armrest. Beyond the main storage bin, many vehicles hide secondary compartments designed specifically for coins, cards, or small items. Some even have separate cup holders that fold out for rear passengers. These features are engineered for convenience but almost never advertised. Rolling into number 16 is auto-folding mirrors on lock. Most modern vehicles have a programmable setting that automatically folds in your side mirrors when you lock the car. This protects them in tight parking spots, prevents damage in car washes, and reduces the risk of vandalism. You just need to enable it in your vehicle settings menu. At number 15 is the hidden trunk release. Every modern car sold in developed markets has a glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle inside the trunk. If someone ever gets locked inside, or if a child accidentally shuts themselves in, pulling that handle opens the trunk from the inside. It's a life-saving feature that most owners never even look for. Coming in at number 14 is the ventilated glove box. Many mid-range and luxury vehicles have air conditioning vents inside the glove compartment. That means you can keep drinks cool, medications at the right temperature, or even chocolate from melting during hot summer drives. Check your glove box carefully. You might be shocked at what you find. At number 13 is the rain-sensing wipers adjustment. If your car has automatic rain-sensing wipers, there's usually a small dial on the wiper stalk that adjusts sensitivity. Most drivers leave it at the default setting forever, but adjusting it can make your wipers respond faster in heavy rain or slower during light mist. This tiny detail makes a huge difference on wet drives. Rolling in at number 12 is automatic headlight sensor calibration. Modern cars with automatic headlights let you customize when they turn on based on ambient light conditions. This means you can make your headlights come on earlier at dusk or delay them slightly during bright, cloudy days. Most owners never even look for this setting in their infotainment menu. Coming in at number 11 is the programmable trip odometer for long trips. Your car likely has 2 or even 3 separate trip odometers you can reset. independently. Use one for daily commutes, another for road trips, and a third for tracking fuel efficiency on specific journeys. It's a small feature, but incredibly useful for anyone who wants to actually monitor their driving costs. At number 10 is the Emergency Fuel Reserve Indicator. When your fuel light comes on, most drivers panic, but modern cars can tell you exactly how many miles you can still drive on the remaining fuel. Depending on your vehicle, that's usually between 30 and 60 additional miles. Check your dashboard. This precise information could save you from running out of gas in the middle of nowhere. Rolling in at number 9 are the steering wheel hidden buttons. Look at your steering wheel carefully. Beyond the obvious cruise control and volume buttons, most modern steering wheels have voice command activation, hands-free calling shortcuts, adaptive cruise control adjustments, and even lane assist toggles. Most drivers ignore over half of these buttons for the entire time they own the car. Coming in at number 8 is the rear-view mirror anti-glare manual switch. Look under your rear-view mirror. See that tiny tab? Flip it, and the mirror instantly reduces glare from headlights behind you at night. This mechanical anti-glare function has existed for decades, and yet most drivers have no idea it's there. Newer cars now do this automatically, but the manual version still works instantly and never fails. At number 7 is the child safety lock. Look at the edge of your rear doors. There are small manual switches that lock the rear doors from the inside, preventing children or passengers from opening them while the car is moving. This is critical for family safety, but many parents don't even know it exists until they accidentally activate it and get confused why the door won't open. Coming in at number 6 are the hidden USB and 12-volt ports. Beyond the obvious ones on your dashboard, most modern cars have additional charging ports hidden inside center consoles, glove boxes, and even under rear seats. Some SUVs have ports built into the cargo area for tailgating or camping. Search your car. You might find 3 or 4 extra charging points you never used. At number 5 is automatic climate control zones. If your car has dual zone or tri-zone climate control, most drivers just set one temperature and forget it. But you can dual-zone, actually set completely different temperatures for the driver, front passenger, and even rear passengers. That means no more arguing over cabin temperature on long trips. This feature is standard on many mid-range cars, but rarely fully utilized. Rolling in at number 4 are the adjustable headrest comfort positions. Most car headrests can be adjusted forward, backward, up, and down. Beyond the safety position, tilting the headrest forward slightly can dramatically reduce neck strain on long drives. Some luxury vehicles even offer multi-angle adjustments designed specifically for sleeping passengers. Adjust yours properly, and long drives will feel completely different. Coming in at number 3 are interior trunk cargo nets and hooks. Look inside your trunk. Most modern cars have hidden hooks on the walls, retractable cargo nets, or metal loops specifically designed to hold grocery bags in place. No more spilled milk or rolled tomatoes across your trunk after every trip. These hooks have been engineered for daily convenience but almost never mentioned by dealerships. At number 2 are the emergency assist buttons. Most modern cars, especially those with connected services like OnStar, BMW Assist, or Toyota Safety Connect, have SOS buttons built into the ceiling or rear-view mirror area. Pressing this button connects you directly with emergency services and shares your exact GPS location. In a serious accident or medical emergency, this feature could genuinely save your life or someone else's. And finally, at number 1 is the hidden second battery access. This one is genuinely life-saving. Many modern cars, especially European luxury vehicles, place the main battery in an inaccessible location like the trunk or under the rear seat, but they include emergency jump-start terminals under the hood, clearly marked with red and black covers. If your battery ever dies, you or a good Samaritan can jump-start the car from these terminals without ever needing to reach the actual battery. Most owners have no idea these terminals exist until they're stranded and desperately need them. So why do so many of these incredible features go undiscovered? The answer is simple. Owners, manuals are 500 pages long and nobody reads them. Dealerships focus on selling you the car, not educating you on how to use it. And manufacturers assume drivers will just figure things out on their own, which almost never happens. The real cost of this is huge. You're missing safety features that could genuinely save your life. You're missing convenience features that could save you time and money every single day. And you're missing technology that you already paid for but have never actually used. Here's the takeaway. Spend just 30 minutes exploring your car this weekend. Open every compartment, press every button, dig through every settings menu on your infotainment screen. You will unlock features worth thousands of dollars that have been sitting there the entire time you've owned your vehicle. There you have it, 20 hidden features in modern cars that most owners never discover. From the tiny gas tank arrow to life-saving emergency systems, your car is genuinely smarter than you ever realized. Now, I want to hear from you. Which feature did you have absolutely no idea existed? Comment the number below because I read every single one. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who drives so they can discover these features too. And check out my next video where I break down 10 dangerous mistakes drivers make every day without even knowing it. Some of these could actually get you killed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.